Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn $4.67 10 times a day. Now this is the 2019 working method and you can do this continuously every day for as much as you want. Now these are authenticated PayPal records from the site that I'm going to show you. £1.20, $7.42, $7.93, $3.32, $3.03, $5.46, $24.50. You can do this as many times as you like. So this is how to earn $4.67 continuously every day. And this is great if you're a newbie, if you've never done internet marketing before, or you have no idea how to make money. This is perfect. It is perfect if you're a newbie. You do not need any experience, and I'm going to show you everything you need to do. And what I love about this method is, number one, anyone can do it, and number two, you can do it in your downtime. Some of the tasks that you're going to do take literally a minute. You can do it in your lunch break, you can do it at home, you can do it in the car, you can do it whenever you want. You know, and what I like about this, I can earn $5 in my lunch break, pay for my lunch. You know, it's super easy, guys. Do this every day, and the best bit is the payouts are every week and there's no limit. You can withdraw $1 or you can withdraw $100. All right, really good. Watch the video to the end, guys. I'm going to go through the site and exactly what you need to do, so you need to watch the video to the end. This is going to show you how you can make money every single day the easiest way possible. This really is a passive income that you can use every day. You can make unlimited money. You can do this once a day or 20 times a day, and it's free, totally free to start up and use. So before we go in with the method, guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell notification. That way I will send you every video that I upload on how to make money online, or how I review affiliate products that make money. You are the first people to see them. That means you get to try them out first, you get to see them first, you get to make money first. So please, guys, hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification. I would really appreciate you doing that. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys before we start is I'm giving away free training. If you go under the comments section of the video, you'll see it will say get my free training here. Just click that link and I will show you some free affiliate marketing training and how I first started making $100 a day, which I do easily now every single day. I'll show you how to do that. If there's an offer that I'm recommending to you, it will be above it where it says grab my copy and bonuses here. So grab that. They're always great offers, they always work, and if there's nothing there, hit the free training and sign up to my list. Okay guys, that's it. I'm Bobby D from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Let's get on with the training. Right guys, so the website I want you to go to is superpay.me. That's superpay.me, and this will take you to this page. This is my actual account. Now before I show you the website, I want you to know that this works 1,000,000%, and I'm going to prove it to you. This is a review website. 97% of people recommend SuperPayMe. That means it works, guys. All right, 580 reviews, great surveys. This website is great and actually pays you off. I'm disabled, but it works great. Very user friendly, low payment. Love the thing, low payment, runs smoothly. Love this site. I love taking surveys. I now do 30 surveys a day. Fast, good surveys. It goes on. You know, this works, guys. SuperPayMe, superpay.me. This site works. It's simple. There's not many other sites out there that has reviews like these. I mean, it's actually unbelievable. All right, pays well. I've cashed out on my second day. Great site, perfect app. There you go. It works. It's that sort of simple. So this is the site. Now the best bit is you have just made your first 20 cents because you get 20 cents for signing up. It's not a lot of money, but if you've never made money online, you've just made it. Congratulations, you've made 20 cents for joining up. When your balance hits $1, you can pay out. But what other site does that? Okay, so before we do that as well, I want to go to payment proof. So this is today's date, and these are the people who have been paid out today. $4.71, $2, $1, $5, $37, $3, $10, $15, $2, $42, $84. That guy's been paid out. 19, $1. It works, all right? And there is some big money to be earned here. The more effort you put in, I say it all the time, the more action you take, the more action you get, okay? So let's just hit home again. So this is your dashboard, cash balance $20. So I only have to get another 80 cents and I can cash that out. Crazy. Top paying offers today. So you have a little click in here. And you get 80 cents for filling out this offer, right? 80 cents for one offer. And you just quickly fill it out. It doesn't get any easier than this. I love this website, guys. And what you do, you get started, you put your email address in, and then you fill in the survey, right? It's that easy. So that's one. Another survey here, a short survey. You get 33 cents. Now, a lot of these are quite low on the money, but if it only takes you a couple of minutes to fill out, it's easy. That one's $1. Can take up to 30 minutes, you know. But do it in your lunch break. Do it in when you get 10 seconds. It's easy. Just leave your laptop open and keep coming back to it. 70 cents. You can do this every 24 hours. So there's some of the jobs that you can see there. So you can go through this. It shows you what's hot, what's good, what makes you money. These are the offers that are out there. So you could go to whatever. Peanut Labs are doing an offer. Make money online with Peanut Labs. Yes. And then you just go through that. And select some more jobs. Oh, just come out of that. So as you can see, there are tons and tons and tons of jobs. You also get referrals. If you refer someone to this site, you get money, and they do contests. I mean, look at this guy here. You know, he's made $50, $30, $50 just in contests. So this is a really good site for me, guys. Superpay.me. It really works. It's really great. I review a lot of these make money websites, and this is definitely up there with some of the best because it's got the low payout. Okay, a lot of them don't. You have to wait till you get to $10. This you can download on $1. It gets no easier. So let's have a look at this one very quickly. Oh, here we go. Buses are on. Traffic lights, bosh. Let's see. You know these never work. Oh, there you go. So this is just one. Let's see if I can get it to work. I'm in a bit of a rush, to be honest. Oh, you have to it'll validate your email. So they'll send you an email and then you can take part in it, okay? But it's all there. There's nothing not to like about this. You can do this all day long. There's hundreds of things to do. And it's a great way of making money. I really, really like it. So that is superpayme.com. Now, if you guys want to look at other ways of making money, have a look at my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. This is an affiliate review site where I review products. That's me, Bobby D, as you can see, and I'll review them. I give them a rating out of 10, and I also give you a ton of bonuses if you buy it through my link. So make sure you head over to that. Make sure you subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button for me. and hit the bell notification. I'd really appreciate it, and that way you stay up to date with everything I'm doing. So I'm Bobby D, guys. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.